Let's go to question number 36. A and B undertook a work for 350 rupees. A got 150 rupees more than that of B. When they working together, B takes 9 days more than A. When they working individually, in how many days A and B working together can complete a whole work? Am I clear? So first one, what I am given here, what I am given amount, nothing but wages given. A and B undertook for working engaged for 350 rupees. So A got 150 more than B. So A got how much more than B? 150 more than B out of 350 rupees. First one, if it is given amount, nothing but this is a efficiency. Okay, na efficiency. So efficiency how much given? So efficiency. So total 350 given, but A got 150 more than B. That is called efficiency or capacity. So first one we need to calculate. So A is to B total together working working together undertook a work for 350 rupees. A got 150 more than B. That means what? So clearly we need to understand A got 150 more than B. So A and B together already given. A plus B have 350 rupees, but A got how much more than B? So A minus B value how much given? 150 rupees. A got 150 more than B means A minus B equal to 150. So by using the two equation, 2A equals to 500, A equal to 250. So A received 250, B received remaining how much? 100. Clear? So A received 250 rupees, B received how much? 100 rupees. Am I clear? So remaining B for 100 rupees. So what is the efficiency ratio? 0 0 cancel. 5 5 is a 5 2 is a. This is efficiency ratio, but it will be converted into time. Time is always inversely proportional to the efficiency. So time nothing but 2:5. 2:5. And what I am given, B takes 9 days more than A. So that means it will be considered as a 2x and 5x. B takes 9 days more than A. That means the difference. How much difference? 3x difference. So 3x value how much given? So 3x value how much given? 9. Therefore x equals to 3. Am I clear? But question what I am asking here, x equal to 3. So A alone can piece of work in how many? 2x, nothing but 6 days. B alone can do it in how many? 5 into 3, 15 days. But question what I am asking together, A plus B. So A plus B means together means in time and work what is the formula? Product by sum. What is the sum value? 21. 6 plus 15. 2 5 3 2s are 3 7s are. So 2 into 15, 30 by 7. 30 by 7. It can be written 7 4s are 28, remainder 2 left. So it can be written in mixed fraction 4 and 2 by 7. Option 2 is right answer. So efficiency converted to time, because time is always inversely proportional to the efficiency. So because already given condition, B takes 9 days more than A. So because B time 5x, A time 2x, the difference 3x. Difference more nothing but here difference. Okay na? So difference 3x equal to 9, x equal to 3. So this value put into that time ratio. So A 6 days, B 15 days. Together asking. Finally what I am asking, how many days A and B together can the whole work? So together means product by sum. So this is the required answer, 4 and 2 by 7. Am I clear? Let us go to question number 37. When A, B, C are deployed for a task, A and B together 70% of work and B and C together 50% of work. Who most efficient? So in that question what I am asking, who most efficient among A, B, C? So let us consider total work, A plus B plus C, all three together can complete 100% work. Am I clear? 100% work, that is efficiency. A, B together already given. A plus B how much given? A plus B 70% work completed, and B and C also given. So B and C how much completed? 50% completed. So first one we have to calculate A individual, B individual and C individual. Okay na? So clearly in that question, so A, B, C total work 100%, out of 100% AB together complete 70%. That means therefore C efficiency how much? 30% only, because 100 minus 70. ABC minus AB, that is C efficiency. By using already given B plus C, how much? B plus C 50%. So you know the C value 30%, nothing but what is the B efficiency? 20%. So C complete 30% work, B complete 20% work. A completes how much? A completes 50% work. So A completes 50% work. So clearly we need to observe in that question. So question what I am asking, who is the most efficient? So who is the most efficient? A. Option 1 is the right answer. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 38. A contractor undertook a work to complete in 60 days. But just after 20 days, he observed that only 1/5 of the project would have been completed. To complete the work in time, nothing but on time, that is in rest days, minimum how many workers he had increases. If they were initially 75 workers were deployed for the task. So initial strength how much given? 75 members. So if it is given this type of question, work is different, nothing but what is the formula already? Work is not equal. What is the formula? M1 D1 by W1 equals to M2 D2 by W2. M2 D2 by W2. Am I clear? So initial how many members given? 75. So M1 value 75 given. M1, a contractor undertook to work total work completed in 60 days. So 75 men initially given, 75 men complete a work in 60 days. That is a given condition. What happened next after 20 days? But after 20 days means first 20 days engaged by 75 men. He observed that only 1/5 of the project work had completed. That means only one part out of 5 parts, one part only completed. So that is a W1. So what is the W2? Remaining how much left? 4 parts work is left. 1/5 of the work completed means what? Out of 5 parts, only one part completed by 75 men in 20 days. Am I clear? So remaining how much work is left? 4 parts work is left out of 5 parts. Or you can take 1/5 of the work in first time, W1. So 4/5 of work taken towards right side, W2. 5 cancel, nothing but 1:4 ratio. Am I clear? So in the 75 men engaged by 75 men to do a 20 days work, one part work completed out of 5 parts. Am I clear? So remaining 4 parts left, that is W2. So but question what I am asking, within the complete the, so question to complete the work in time means 60 minus 20 days, that means 40 days left. So work should be complete within the time, that means on time. So D2 value how much given? 40 days. But question what I am asking, how many workers are increases? But initially 75 members given. So 75 plus X members should be complete remaining 4 parts work in 40 days, because I will get 40, total 60 days given, total work 75 men complete a work in 60 days. But already 75 men 20 days work already complete, W1 work, one part work completed out of 5 parts, remaining 4 parts left. But question what I am given, how many workers she had to increase? Nothing but 75 plus X members, X workers are increases, nothing but what is the remaining strength? So for total strength 75 plus X. But work must be complete in time. In time means remaining how many days left? 60 minus 20, 40 days. So work should be completed in 40 days. Rest of the work, nothing but 4 parts work. But how many workers are increases? Nothing but X workers are increases. So so what is M2 strength? 75 plus X. This is the required value, equation. 21s are 22s are. Am I clear? So 2 1s are 2 2s are. According to cross multiplication, 75 into 2, 150 equals to 75 plus X. Therefore X equals to 150 minus 75, 75. So remaining how many more workers should be added? 75 to complete the work within the time. Answer 3 is right answer. Option 3 is right answer. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 39. If 2 men or 3 women or 4 boys can do a piece of work in 52 days, then same piece of work will be done by 1 man, 1 woman, 1 boy in how many days? This is the question. So clearly we need to understand in that question, 2 men or 3 women or 4 boys can do a piece of work in 52 days. So what I am taken first, 2 men or 3 women or 4 boys can do a piece of work in 52 days. So let me take in total work 52 units. So let me take in 52 units. That is the total work. So 2 men complete a work in how many days? 2 men complete a work in 52 days. That means in each one day how much work can be completed by 2 men? 1 unit work. Am I clear? So that is a units method. Before that I have to explain the traditional method. So what is the traditional method? So clearly 2 men or nothing but equal 3 women or 4 boys can do a piece of work in 52 days. This is a question. But question finally what I am asking, same piece of work done by 1 man and nothing but plus 1 woman and 1 boy can complete the same piece of work in how many days? This is a question. So by using the first equations, 2 men equal to 3 boys equal to 4 boys. So equation 2 convert into boys. So 2 men equal to how many boys? Actually 2 men equal to 4 boys. Therefore 1 man equal to 2 boys. So 1 man replaced by 2 boys. Plus 1 woman. 3 women equal to 3 women equals to 3 women equals to 4 boys. Therefore 1 woman equals to 4 by 3 boys. 1 man replaced by 4 by 3 boys. And finally what I am given? 1 boy. So all are converted into boys. So 2 plus 1, 2 boys plus 1 by 3 boys plus 4 by 3. So total will become 9 plus 4, 13 by 3 boys. So equation 2 value convert into boys. So what you am getting? 13 by 3 boys. 3 is a 9 plus 4. 13 by 3 boys. But according to equation 1, boy strength already given. 4 boys can do a piece of work in 52 days. So question what I am asking, 1 man and 1 woman, 1 boy. That value 13 by 3 boys. So equation 2 also convert into boys. Can do the same piece of work in how many days? This is a question. So in time and work you should go with the direct multiplication, not for cross multiplication, because M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. If work is equal, M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. Therefore D2 can be written M1 D1 by M2. Nothing but 4 into 52 by 13 by 3. By 3 can be written in the numerator into 3. 13 1s are 13 4s are. 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48 is the required answer. 48 days. Am I clear? The first option is right answer. This is the traditional method. So by using the shortcut method, nothing but units concept, how we are going to do this. Before that what I am given? 2 men or 3 women or 4 boys. 2 men or 3 women or 4 boys can do a piece of work in how many days? Can do a piece of work in 52 days. But question what I am asking, the same piece of work will be done by 1 man, 1 woman and 1 boy in how many days? That is a question. So 2 men or 3 boys or 2 men, 3 women or 4 boys can do a piece of work in 52 days. This is a given question. So what I am taken first, total work equal to 52 units. What I am taken? 52 units work taken. Already given 52 days. So 2 men, actually 2 men can do a piece of work in 52 units work, can do it in how many days? 52 days. So 2 men complete the 1 day work. 1 day work in how much units? 1 units. Am I clear? So 2 men complete 1 day work, 1 unit, 1 day work. Because 2 men complete a work in 52 days. So already taken total work is 52 units. 52 by 52, 1 unit. That means clearly we need to understand in that question, 2 men complete a 1 day work 1 unit, and similarly 3 women complete a 1 day work. 1 day work how many days? So 3 women complete the 1 day work 1 unit, because 3 women complete a work in 52 days. Total work already taken 52 by 52, 1 unit. And similarly 4 boys can do the 1 day work 1 unit. But question what I am asking, 1 man, 1 woman, 1 boy can complete a work in how many days? So 2 women 1 day work 1 unit. Therefore 1 man complete a 1 day work equals to how much? 1 by 2 units. 1 by 2 units. Am I clear? Half unit. Because 2 men complete a 1 day work 1 unit. Therefore 1 man complete a 1 day work nothing but 1 by 2. So 2 men complete a 1 unit, only one man complete half work. But here similarly, one woman complete 1 day work, half unit. And similarly, one boy complete 1 day work equal to 1 by, so this is 1 by 3, sorry, second equation 1 by 3, because 3 women complete 1 day work, 1 unit, therefore 1 woman complete work in 1 day work equal 1 by 3, 1 boy, 4 boys complete 1 day work equal to 1 unit, 1 boy complete 1 by 4 unit. Am I clear? So we will get 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So 2 man 1 day work 1 unit, therefore 1 man 1 by 2. Similarly, 1 woman, 3 women complete 1 day work 1 unit, 1 woman complete 1 by 3. 4 boys complete 1 day work 1 unit, 1 boy complete in 1 by 4 units. So if you take, this is it is calculated as a 1 day work. It is 1 day work. Am I clear? So all 3 together, 1 man plus 1 woman plus 1 boy complete 1 day work. So 1 day work, how much given? How much? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. What is LCM? 12 LCM. Am I clear? 2 how many is a? 2, this is 2 6 a, 3 4 a, and 4 3 is a. Total 13 by 12 units complete in 1 day by 1 man, 1 woman, 1 boy. But question what I am asking, total work 52 units given. So 52, actually 1 man, 1 woman, 1 boy complete 1 day work 13 by 12 units. But total work how much given? Total work 52 units given. 52 units completed in how many days? Nothing but it is divided by 13 by 12. That means it can be written 52 into 12 by 13. What is the answer? 13 4 is 4 into 12, 48 days. Am I clear? This is a units method. 42 days. Option A is right answer. Let's go to question number 40. A contractor undertook to complete a work in 40 days and he deployed 20 men for his work. 8 days before the scheduled time, he realized that 1/3 of the work was still be done. How many more men were required to complete the work in stipulated time? Nothing but in time. Stipulated time means in time. So work should be completed in time. Am I clear? So initially for 20 men given. So initially strength 20 men to complete the work in 40 days. So 20 men complete a piece of work in 40 days. So that is a contract. Okay, undertook the complete a work. So a contractor to decide by using 20 men to complete a piece of work in 40 days. But 8 days before the scheduled time, 8 days before the scheduled time, that means 40 minus 8, 32 days. So already 32 days work completed by 20 men. He realized that 1/3 of the work was still to be done. So remaining how much work left? 1/3 of work left. Nothing but in 32 days 2/3 work has been completed. So what is the formula? If work is not equal, M1 D1 equals to M1 D1 by W1 equals to M2 D2 by W2. M2 D2 by W2. This is the formula. So M1 value initial strength 20 men. Complete first 32 days work how much? Out of 1/3 work is left, nothing but, so 2 out of 3 parts, 2 parts already work in 32 days. So this is a very important statement. 8 days before the scheduled time, he realized that 1/3 of the work was still be done. So remaining how much left? 1/3 work left. That means out of 3 parts, 2 parts are already completed in 32 days. So remaining question what I am asking, how many more men will required to complete the work in stipulated time, means in time. So initially 20 members given, more nothing but X workers added. So what is the remaining next strength? 20 plus X, that is M2 value. So work done in stipulated time means 32 days already completed in first one part, remaining how much left? 8 days left. So M2 value 20 plus X, how will get 20 plus X? So question what I am asking, how many more men are required to complete the work in time? That means initially 20 members given, so added X strength, X workers, nothing but 20 plus X, that is M2 value. So in time means 32 out of 40 days, 32 days already completed by first initial 20 strength in okay, in clearly we need to understand, but in that question what I am given, he realized that 1/3 of the work still be done, nothing but this is the rest of the work given, 1/3 work is left, nothing but 2/3 work already completed in first action. So what is the W2? Only 1 out of 3 parts, 1 part left means 2 parts completed by 20 men in 32 days. So 8 days work is left. In time means remaining 8 days work is left. So it will be complete 20 plus x, because more strength, nothing but initial 20 plus x added. More strength means 20 plus x completed remaining one part work in 8 days. That is the question. Okay na? So 8 ones are 8 fours are 2 ones are 2 twos are according to cross multiplication. So 20 into 2 40 equals to 20 plus x. Therefore x equals to 40 minus 20 20. So how many more strength will required? 20 more strength will required to complete the work in stipulated time, nothing but in time. Option 3 is right answer. 20 workers are required. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 41. B and C are equally efficient. So B and C contain equal efficiency, but the efficiency of A is half of each B and C. Each B and C. So A efficiency is half of B as well as half of C. A and B started a work and 3 days later C joined them. A alone can complete a work in 14 days. Actually given A alone can do a work in 14 days. Then in how many more days the work will be completed? Then how many more days the work will be completed? That is the question. So more days asking, rest of the days. But before that what I am given, B and C have equal efficiency. B efficiency as well as C efficiency is equal. Am I clear? And also given what is the next statement? A is half of B. So according to efficiency, A efficiency is half of B. Nothing but B takes in 2 parts work, A takes 1 part. So 1:2 ratio, that is efficiency ratio. Am I clear? As well as C also takes 2 parts because B and C has a equal efficiency. This is efficiency ratio. But what is it will be converted into time. What is the relation between time and efficiency? Time is always inversely proportional to efficiency. Am I clear? So already told you what is the inverse ratio. Actually the relation between efficiency and time, inverse relation. Inverse ratio of ABC formula, BC is to AC is to AB. A closed BC 2 into 2 4, that is A place. B closed AC nothing but 1 into 2 2, and C closed 1 into 2 2, that is a time ratio. What I am getting time ratio? 4:2:2. How we are going to convert into time? Time is inversely proportional to the efficiency. So efficiency, know that 1:2:2. Time ratio, what is the inverse ratio of ABC? A closed BC, B closed AC, C closed AB, that is the inverse ratio. What is the time ratio? 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are. So finally we will get the time ratio 2:1:1. Am I clear? So let us consider this is 2x, 1x and 1x. A alone can do a piece of work on how many days? A alone can complete a work in 14 days. Nothing but 2x value already given 14 days. Therefore x equal to 7. But question what I am asking, before that A and B start the work and 3 days later G join them. So first one we have to calculate individual works. Okay. So A alone can do it in 7 days. Am I clear? B alone can do it in, A alone can do it in how many days? 14 days given. B alone can do it in how many days? 1x, nothing but 7 days. X value 7. C alone can do it also 7 days because whose efficiency, B and C efficiency are equal. Nothing but time also taken same time. Okay na? B takes 7 days as well, C takes 7 days. But first one A and B start the work. A and B start the work and 3 days later G joined them. That means, so A alone, B alone, C, you know that values, A 14, B 7, C also 7. So first one you have to take A 1 day work. A 1 day work 1/14, B 1 day work, A 1 day work, B 1 day work 1/7 and C 1 day work 1/7. Or you can apply the equation method. So what is the equation method? Say A alone, B alone, C alone, you know that 14, 7, 7 respectively. So who start the work first? A and B start the work for 3 days. So first 3 days complete by A and B. After 3 days who joined the? C joined them. That means remaining work. What I am asking, in remaining work how many more days complete the remaining work? Okay na? So clearly we need to observe. So in that question A alone, B alone, C alone days already taken in denominator, maximum days always taken in denominator. First A and B engage the work for 3 days, after 3 days C joined. So remaining work completed by X days, that means it is taken X. A and B also continue the work, nothing but it is added X. Okay na? X added to A and B also. Sum of the fractions always equals to 1 because total work equal to 1 part. All 3 together can do a piece of work in 1 part work. Okay. So what is LCM? 14 is a LCM. 7, 7, 14. 14 ones are nothing but 3 plus 6. 7 2s are 2 into 3 plus x. 6 plus 2x. Again 7 2s are 2 into x, 2x equal to 1. So x, the total 5x plus 9 equal to 14. Am I clear? Therefore 5x equal to 5, x equal to 1. Am I clear? X nothing but 1. So remaining work complete in 1 day. So remaining work complete in 1 day. That is option A is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 42. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 4 days. If A alone complete the same work in 12 days, in how many days B alone complete the work? So initially what I am given, A and B together can complete a work in 4 days. And A alone can complete a work in 12 days. A alone can complete a work in 12 days. But question what I am asking, B alone. Question what I am asking, B alone can complete a work in how many days? This is a question. Alone means what? What is the formula? Product by difference. Product by difference. This is a formula. So product nothing but 4 into 12, difference 8. 4 and 12, difference 8. 4 1s are 4 2s are 2 6s are. Their answer is 6 days. So B alone can do it in how many days? 6 days. Option 1 is right answer. Am I clear? So rest of the question I will discuss you later. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.